Hey guys, so I actually got a full-on end-to-end thing going for you folks, and not just you folks. I think anyone can use it now. I've actually gone ahead and completed the code for a framework plugin. So anyone can essentially just drop in authentication in Snapser and drop this plugin code into their Framer app, and they're good to go. So check this out. Here's your landing page. It now has this section for login register, which will only show up when the user is not logged in. This you might remember from the previous video. If you go to the members page, since you're not logged in, it automatically forwards you to the login page. Now what I have done is I've created login and register buttons. So depending on what the user has clicked, let's say the user wants to actually register, they click register. These forms automatically show up in registration or sign up mode. On the other hand, if you click the login, then the forms will be in login mode. This is useful because typically what people do in websites, they have like a login or a sign up button, and depending on that, they want the user to fill in the appropriate information. Now, what I've also done is, because Snapser supports multiple types of auth, in this example, I have a username password, a email one-time login password, or an email password authentication, all three enabled. And it was very simple for me to just go ahead and activate these three in Snapser, and then, we're good to go. So just to kind of give you an example of how this works, let's sign up. I'm going to say Nikhil, and let's say password is 12345. I sign up. There it is. Now you've gone to the members only. You can now go to the members only page. So if I click on the members only page, there it is. This is where all the member specific information will be. You'll also notice, because now we are logged in, those two buttons which said login and register have gone away. So it's very easy to add a code override to your to any frame or a component now, and it'll magically just work. One more thing, you can now just always sign out. So if you click sign out, we've also provided you with another code override that you can just insert in Framer, and if you hit sign out, there it is. You're back on the landing page, and you can continue logging in with some other mechanisms if you fancy. So I think basically, long story short, we have a solution here which is completely no code for a designer.